It is that time again. I need to restock my entire house. I am out of all of my household essentials and everything that I use on routine. So I'm going to be doing a full household restock. I'm actually really excited. These shopping days are always really fun and satisfying, I can't lie, but it's also always very expensive. So I'm just mentally preparing. Usually I restock one thing at a time as each product runs out, but there's always like once or twice a year that I run out of everything at once, and it is that time again. I also picked up my favorite coffee to make today even more enjoyable. So let's head inside. I have a lot to get. Okay, so I'm gonna start in this section. I really need some new shaving products, so I'm gonna start right here. I just completely ran out of this shave oil and I really liked it. This scent is so good. So I was gonna restock and get this exact one, but this golden vanilla one also sounds really good. And I've never seen a shave butter before, so I'm kind of going back and forth between these. Yeah, this one is so sweet and vanilla. I've been into really sweet scents lately. And then this shave butter looks really cool too. I bet it would be so nice to layer both of these. But I do really like this pink one too. I actually really liked using a shave oil over a shaving cream, so I think I'm gonna go for that. But I definitely want to try a new scent, so I think I'm gonna do this one. And then this is the razor that I've had. I love this one because you can just refill the blades. But I do love this pink one too. Like, I want this color in the regular handle. I also really like this one too. This pink is just so cute. Whenever I need to upgrade my razor, then I'll probably get a pink one next. But for now, mine is fine. This one has actually held up for so long, so I'm really happy with this one. These are my favorite body scrubs ever. Like, this one smells like a dessert. Like, I want to eat this. This one has been my favorite for so long. I've also had this one, which was really good. This one also smells really sweet, but it's more like clean. But I've never seen this blue one. I don't know how I feel about that. This one is definitely really clean and tropical. The one I have right now is the pink one though, and it might be my favorite. It's like clean and floral and sweet. So I'm not gonna restock any of those now, but it's always so fun to smell them because they're my favorites. There are so many body wash options. The Salt Air one has been my favorite for a while. This saltwater vanilla smells so good. I love getting the entire scent collection so that I can layer the entire set. So with the body wash, I like getting the matching body lotion, but I love these Dove body washes and I've been wanting to try this scent for so long. It's like a sweet floral scent. It smells so good and I love the pink. I'm actually so excited to try this one. It's been on my list for so long. And then these Dove dry sprays are my favorite deodorant. I always get either the rose petal or this beauty finish. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It smells so good. And I had no idea that they had salt air ones also. That would be crazy to layer all of the saltwater vanilla scents and also have the matching deodorant. I also need to restock my toothpaste and these floss sticks. And I'm still good on mouthwash. I got this one last and I really like it. Also, this color is just so pretty. Okay, here's what I have so far. I'm also loving the color scheme. The pink is so cute. These are the Salt Air body oils. So this is the scent that I have. I've been wanting to try this one in Pink Beach. And then they also have the matching body butter. And then this is the matching one that I have. This one smells so good. This brand has been my favorite lately. All of their scents are so good. So I usually use all three of these together. So I could try a new scent combination. I love layering an entire scent, as you guys know, so ideally I want to try all of these together. But of everything, I need the body butter the most. Maybe for now I'll try the body cream, but I definitely want to try the body oil and then the matching body mist. So I'll come back for those. And I already got coffee on my shirt. I've also seen these, which look so pretty. Like this one, the color is so cute. They almost look like nail polish. And I do want to get a new box of these. I love wearing these at night. They honestly help so much. I've gone through so many boxes of these. They're my favorite. And I have a bad habit at touching my face, so these literally keep me from doing that. So I'm definitely gonna restock these. And I don't need any new hair products for now. I have been wanting to try these L'Oreal ones for a while. I think it's these that I've been seeing everywhere, this glossing shampoo and conditioner. I think doing like a gloss treatment at home could be really fun. So those are on my wish list also. And now it's time for the cleaning section. This might be my next favorite section too. I don't know what it is, but I love shopping for cleaning products. So when I have to restock my entire house, it's very exciting. I'm gonna go down the list and start getting everything. It makes me very excited. So starting out with a new spray cleaner, I really want to get a glass reusable bottle like this. I think it's going to feel so much better and sustainable to start just getting refills every time. And I've heard that this brand doesn't have a ton of super bad chemicals. I started watching a lot of TikToks on it, so I kind of want to try this. Like, I think this is just going to be so nice. That way I can buy a refill every time instead of a new plastic sprayer every time I need to restock it. So I think I'm going to do that. And it's nice because it's glass. Like, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to get the glass bottle. I had one of these forever ago and it broke, so I just can't drop it on the floor. And these are the two scent options, lemon and mint, and then lavender. I think I'm gonna go with the lavender or the lemon, I don't know, but this one would be really nice for cleaning the kitchen. The lavender is very lavendery. You know what? I know I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom with this the most, so I think I'm gonna go with the lemon and mint, which is kind of surprising because I'd almost always go with the lavender. I even have that brand specifically listed. Next, I need to get dish soap. I'm just gonna get this entire bin. And my dishwasher was having a lot of problems, so I started using this just because of the hard water where I live. I need to put this in the dishwasher every use. And I need to get a huge thing of dish soap. I like getting this big one so I can keep refilling the bottle, but it's crazy when it runs out because it takes a while to finish. I'm so excited to pick a new laundry scent. I love getting these beads. They make my clothes smell so good. I've never seen this cherry blossom one, but it smells so good. And I feel like I've been getting a lot of sweet floral products throughout this video, so this one's kind of perfect. And it's pink, so this is the one I had last time, this toasted vanilla, which also smells really good and light. And then there's this ocean mist, which is good too. There's just so many options. Or this one in April Fresh, and it is April, so that one is actually really nice. I think I like this one more though. I think I have to go with this one. It's really calling my name. I think this is also the last cherry blossom scent, which is why I haven't seen these before. Maybe these are always sold out. This is everything that I've picked out. This kind of goes perfectly. And I also need to get a big laundry soap refill. This one comes with 63, so hopefully that lasts a while. That's heavy. That was way heavier than I expected. Also, these actually look really nice. I've been using these refillable cat food containers. I don't know how to describe it, but I've been feeding them on those that I have to wash, and I wanted a specific sponge to wash their dishes. These are actually really nice because I can use it specifically for them. I wish the cat color was pink though, instead of the dog one being pink, but I have to get the cat one, so. And I also need to get dryer sheets. Okay, so I need to get a couple different bathroom cleaners, like this bleach cleaner and these refills. This is my favorite floor cleaner ever. It's basically what I do as the last step after I clean my entire floor. I spray this everywhere and then wipe it down, and it leaves the wood looking so shiny and it smells so good. This almond scent is amazing. I'm gonna get this one also, but I'm good on regular floor cleaner. I'm also gonna get these disinfecting wipes. I like that these are specifically good for around pets, but these are just so convenient to clean like my entire house with. I also need to get some large kitchen trash bags. I always love the packaging of these. I want to get the lavender scent, but they don't have it in the big box, so I think I'm just gonna go with this fresh scent. Oh my god, this is so much stuff. And I actually just restocked my mini trash bags for the bathrooms, so I don't need to get any of those. And I have to look at the cat section. I definitely want to get them some new treats. They always go crazy for these. And they love these little sushi toys. So I'm gonna get a new pack of these because I think they ripped all of the stuffing out of them. And of course I have to stop in the book section. I still have so many books I have to read that I own already, but that doesn't stop me from looking at all of the book selections. It's always so fun to keep adding to my to-read list. I also always like carrying gum in my purse and having it in my car. I never thought about getting these big packs though. I guess it kind of makes sense because I end up buying individual packs every time. This pink lemonade one is really good. but I also just love the regular mint, so I'm gonna get both of those. I've never gotten like a huge pack of gum, but I guess it makes sense. That was quite the shopping day, I will not lie. I just feel like days like this are always so refreshing and fun, and although it's a lot of buildup and it's expensive, it's always so satisfying to actually be done with so many things and get to restock and move on to something new. I love trying new things, but I also like sticking with the things that I know I love. So I have so much to show you in this haul, and we have a lot of restocking to do. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I'm most excited for. I do wanna film an entire restocking my shower video, but I'm not completely done with everything yet. So I wanted to restock a couple things that I just couldn't wait any longer for. The first being body wash. I emptied 2 Dove body washes, and they were both so good. The thing with Dove is they have so many scents that I really wanna try all of them. So I almost never buy the same scent twice, but this one I've been wanting to try for so long. I feel like this is just gonna be so perfect for spring, so I couldn't wait any longer, and it's pink, so I'm obsessed. I also needed to get a new deodorant. At this point, you've probably heard me talk about the Dove dry sprays. These are my favorite deodorants. I also really like the spray because it doesn't get on my clothes, and I hate that white residue that I get sometimes when I use solid deodorants. The Beauty Finish is my favorite. It's so sweet and yum. And then I kind of splurged and got this body butter. This is the Saltaire Pink Beach body butter. And it smells so good. It's definitely beachy, but it's also really light and sweet. I feel like it's the perfect scent for between spring and summer. Like, it really combines floral with like a salty, beachy, tropical scent. So this time of year is kind of perfect for this. I got this shave oil in Golden Vanilla. I really liked the pink one that I finished, but I wanted to try a new scent. I usually don't buy shaving creams. I've talked about this before, but I love using shave oils on like the super sensitive areas when I shave. It just makes my skin so smooth. Next, I got these scent beads. I ended up going with the scent Cherry Blossom, and I've never seen these before. I'm so excited. I am all about smelling good and going through my entire smell good routine every day, but something that's so underrated is when your clothes smell really good. So I add these scent beads to pretty much every single load that I do, especially when I wash my sheets. Then my bed smells really good and it's cozy, but also just my everyday clothes. Next, I got floss sticks. I got toothpaste. I got 2 packs of gum. These are my favorite flavors, just regular mint, and then also this pink lemonade. I've never bought like a big pack of gum, but honestly it makes sense because I get a pack of gum almost every time I go grocery shopping. So I was like, I might as well stock up. I got this big thing of liquid dish soap. I can't believe I finished the entire refill size. It took forever. So I got this one. I really like the new top. Like, that is gonna be so much easier to pour, but this is gonna be so nice. I also got new dishwasher tablets. These are gonna be so satisfying to restock. I needed these so bad. And I got a big thing of laundry soap. I've been needing this so bad. I don't have any laundry soap. I'm telling you guys, like, I ran out of everything and I've been putting off doing a big trip like this. So I haven't done laundry in like a week. Like, I have so many clothes to wash, but I haven't been able to because I literally didn't have soap. So after I film this video, I have a lot of chores to do, but I ended up getting the 45 pack laundry soap. Hopefully that lasts a while. As I've talked about, I've been trying to limit what I'm consuming and making sure I'm using everything before I restock something. But I also am buying the big refill sizes so that they last me for longer. And I've really been wanting to do something like this. I use a spray cleaner all the time, all over my house, but I always have to rebuy the same plastic spray bottle. So instead I bought this glass spray bottle, which I'm so excited for. I think this is just gonna be so nice to reuse every time. And then I bought the cleaner. This is a concentrated mix. You just add water to this and you can refill your spray bottle so many times. So I am so excited for this. I've also heard that this brand is really good because it doesn't use like a lot of toxic chemicals and all of that that's really bad in your house. And I also have 2 cats, so I just want to be aware of what they're breathing in all the time. Obviously, I can work on this all around. I did get a lot of cleaning products that I'm sure have better alternatives, but at least this is a good start. So I'm actually so excited for this bottle. Speaking of bathroom cleaning, I got 2 new cleaners. I get these refill scrubbers, so I needed to restock that for a while. And then I also got this bleach gel. I needed both of these so badly. I bought these cleaning wipes. These are just so convenient. I love keeping these under my bathroom sink, and just so I can wipe down the counter and the sink and everything every time I use it. I bought this for the dishwasher. I've been using this for a couple months now. There's basically really hard water around the area that I live, so every time I start my dishwasher, I put this in, or else all of the calcium will build up and it'll be super white, and the dishwasher doesn't clean my dishes as much as it should. It's this whole thing I discovered a couple months ago. So anyway, I buy this for my dishwasher and it really helps keep everything clean. I bought these dryer sheets in fresh linen. These smell so good, and there's also so many sheets in here. Again, I want my clothes to smell really good, so these going in the dryer always helps. More super fun things. It's actually not that time of the month for me yet, but I was being really proactive and getting everything I needed. Usually I wait until the day I'm actually on my period to restock anything, but I have nothing in my bathroom cabinet, so I wanted to get ahead of the game, and I'm pretty proud of myself for this because usually I wait until it's too late and then I really need them and it's an emergency. So decided to knock these out while I was ahead, and now I'll be super prepared. So I really feel like an adult. I got a big box of trash bags. I'm completely out of those also. For the longest time, I got unscented trash bags, but I actually really like this fresh scent. It doesn't smell super crazy. It's just a really clean, light scent. It doesn't last for the longest time, but usually after I take out the trash and put in a fresh bag, it just smells really good and clean, and I feel like it just completes the clean kitchen. Next, I got a new floor cleaner. I am so excited for this. This is my favorite almond scent wood floor cleaner. It's the perfect final step after I'm done completely cleaning my floors. I'll spray this everywhere and then wipe it down, and it leaves my floor looking really shiny and clean and perfect, and it also smells so good. This almond scent is so delish. It's so random, but I love it. I couldn't help myself. I had to get a couple things for my cats also. These treats, which I opened as soon as I got home, they go crazy for these, and these little sushi toys they love so much. I bought these when I first adopted my cats, and these became their favorite toys. They kind of ripped them apart though, and now they're like deflated without stuffing, so I decided to get a new pack. And then I also got this sponge that's shaped like a cat, specifically because I feed them in these reusable dishes, and it feels gross to wash them with the same sponge that I clean my dishes with. So I got them their own sponge. So when I wash them, they will be washed with this. I bought these silk hair ties, which I'm so excited for. I've slowly been replacing all of my elastic hair ties with these like really nice silky scrunchies. I don't wear my hair up very often, but every time I wash my face and do my makeup, I have to get my hair out of my face. So I wanted to have these because they're a lot more gentle in my hair. They don't rip out my hair as I take them out. And then I also got these mighty patches. I love these. I just have a bad habit at touching my face and picking out spots. So this way I put these on and I literally cannot get to them. Like I physically cannot do anything. So it's helped so much with my breakouts and all of that. So I always end up refilling these. And the very last things I bought are toilet paper and paper towels. I got a lot. I'm so tired of going to the store for this stuff, so I wanted to get a lot of packs. And anyway, you guys, that is it for this entire video. I am so happy with everything I got. That was one of the biggest restocks I've ever done. I ended up getting so much stuff, but this should last me for a really long time. The last time I did a video like this was over a year ago. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting me, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys soon. I need to go clean. I need to put all this stuff away, and I need to get back into my routine. Finally, because I have everything to do it. Thank you guys again for watching until the very end. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you so much. Bye guys! Mwah!